read the scriptures. He will reveal prophecies. And he comes to restore all things. For he has the kingdom keys. When he comes to bring the message, he will teach the shepherd's role, and the saints will know who sent him. They will know the voice of God. He will prepare the Lord's coming of the great and dreadful day, a great day for all God's people who will hear truth and obey. A dreadful day for the wicked. They'll not hear the voice of God, whose voice cries unto the city when he says, yea, the rod. When he comes to bring the message, he will teach the shepherd's rod, and the saints will know who sent him. They will know the voice of God. In the teachings of Elijah, there can only be safety, for there will be no other voice of truth and authority. All other voices will lead you to trust in the mortal clay. They will lead you to perdition. From the path they'll lead astray. When he comes to bring the message, he will teach the shepherd's rod, and the saints will know who sent him. They will know the voice of God. When he comes to bring the message, he will teach